Hello and welcome to our instructions for our number 61 Rotovator. So a few features with this machine. Just turn it around for you to see. It comes obviously on wheels for transportation. Before you start you will need to remove them. That's just done by removing this part of the pin there. That will come out and that whole floor wheel assembly will come away from the machine. So just pull that out. And there we go. Obviously, make sure you put the locking pin back in here so we don't lose that for later on. Because obviously this will need to be put back on to get it back to us. There's also got a depth pin there, so you can just pull out that pin and move that up and down depending on how deep you want to rotovate. So to start the machine, you'll notice on here you've got a hare and a tortoise, basically on and off, depending on also how much power you want to give the machine. So you put that to the on position. On the side of the machine here, you've got a prime button, so that needs to be primed three or four times. You'll feel as you press it the fuel coming through, and then you just simply call the machine to start. Once it's up and running, you've got forward and reverse for the cutters themselves. So you push that in, hold that down, that will engage the cutters. As soon as you let go, they will stop. If you're in a deep hole and need to go backwards, you've got the reverse version there, which will move them backwards. To kill the machine, just move the hare and tortoise back down to tortoise and that will switch the machine completely off. Other things to be aware of this machine, if it can be transported in an upright position, because the fuel tends to come out of the air vents if it's put on its side. Also the cap is loose on this machine, it's just a bit of a design flaw, unfortunately. Final thing to remember when it comes back to us is to make sure it comes back in a clean condition. So any weeds that are wrapped around here need to be taken off prior to returning to us to return your deposit. As always with these things, if there's any questions, please get in contact. Thanks for listening.